Good morning, Giacomo and Nicholas. About the problem that you had yesterday, Giacomo made me a question how to find a way to have a good position, automatic position inside. And as I told you, there isn't a specific command in AFCAM that is studied for this, for fix this problem. But I remember that right now that you have in your version of the software also the nesting. And nesting is made for another thing, but can work also for this. I mean, I want to show you really in short, and then if you need some help, we will speak about nesting. Also, what nesting is studied for. That is not perfectly this, but we can use also for this. For example, this is your drawings. And you have the tool path inside, and you have like the case of yesterday, something like this. So you have a shape where you want to put inside your drawings. Is it possible to put inside and the system will adjust the position, of course, if it's possible with the area to put inside, because if it's the pen is too little than the draw, of course you have a problem, but this is is normal. So yes, it's possible. I mean, we can use the nesting for this. If you go on nesting part here and you load, I will explain the nesting when and if it's your request, because it's a way to work in the machine that maybe you don't use in your kind of machine. This is the reason, because we don't touch this argument until now. But in this case can help, because I add a piece. This is it's in Italian, of course, but this is I add a piece from the from drawings. So my pieces is present inside, and this is this. So I take this and I say to the software, okay, I want to do how many pieces. In this case, it's just one, because I just have to use nesting for positioning, automatic positioning, and I can also say to the software that I want to make automatic rotation, tilt. Can help or not. I can have a little some adjustment here, but I repeat, I don't want to open the argument right now. So it's okay, and the system asks me the panel. The panel can be rectangular or square or something else like this. And this can work because. Sorry. This is the this is the piece that we have to do. So the number one, and then this icon. It's the panel. Sorry, and the panel is this. The system asks me how many panels I have in my stock, because nesting could also evaluate the amount of the material that I need to produce several pieces. So it can be interesting also for this, but I repeat that we will open this part when is the time to. And I just ask I say to the system that we have one piece, because we need just one. Okay, and the system asks me if I have some other panel. No, I don't have. And now I have some adjustment here, but I repeat, we will explain also this. And this is the piece that I have to do in this part, in this area, and in this area it's what I have like material. If I optimize, the system will adjust the position automatically. It takes a time to have the best optimization in terms of amount of pieces and so on. In this case, I set 30 seconds of calculation in the computer. You can also interrupt if it's this is the best, maybe you can also interrupt, and it is. So yeah, it's possible to do also in this way. So it's possible to do also if we use another command like the nesting, because it can work anyway. So if you want to open this argument, okay, but yeah, it's maybe better, as I already said yesterday, to come back with standard the base of AlphaCam, so how to move, how to copy, how to manage the drawing inside AlphaCam, and don't pass through the automatic importer, because automatic importer is beautiful and fast, but you don't maybe understand how to use AlphaCam inside, so it can be dangerous to use just importer. So it's a possibility, of course, but maybe better to know also the base. So the next steps of your training, I advise to start from the base again. Okay, that is for the moment. Thank you very much.